Today, as you can see, we are tilling the soil. It's the first day that we are trying to till the soil. We want to put some ponds on this vast land. As you can see, this is phase 1 of SAFCo. This is 2 hectares farmland. We are tilling today. Well, this is where the second beehive is placed. It's a good location here, as we have some bee colonies, in one of the holes down there. Okay, that's a lizard. And lizards are very good in consuming bees. They eat them like shit. Sorry for the language. This beehive is also placed there today, like the other one in part 1 of the video. And, thank you so much for watching. This is Sam of SAFCo. So, as you can see, we have a lot to do on the farm. A lot more. As you can see, the place that need to be tilled is still here. So, once more again, thank you for watching. See you. And we have an update of what is happening on the farm as things get unfold. The tilling still continues.
Yeah, that's the tractor man walking at SAFCo Farms. You can see the plow in action. Yeah. Oh my God. That is perfect. Good work. Yeah, the SAFCO brothers picking camelina, a common weed in this area, but a weed that is very difficult to control. As if you don't pick it and leave it like that, then it is going to generate rooting along its vines. And then it will continue to grow and multiply. Then it will become a plant that is difficult to control in this area, as it is going to colonize the whole area. So that is Sam brothers picking, as I said, camelina, working very hard to make so whatever is going to plant it here does not grow with some difficulties. So it grows perfectly and it goes well. Still, tilling practice is going on. As you can see in the video, about 1 hectare already tilled. And then we still have this vast area still left to be tilled by the tractor man. I know he got a lot of work to do. Why?
That's the other. Sam brother.
When ka sokunyong? Ayo be teba tebe ke nakante motoyo.